What if machines could see the world just as we do? Imagine a world where your smartphone recognizes your face, and self-driving cars navigate traffic without a hitch. Today, we're diving into the incredible field of computer vision, where we'll unravel the mysteries of image recognition, object detection, visual SLAM, and video analytics. Computer vision is all around us, powering everything from social media filters to smart security systems. But what does it really involve? In this video, we will explore how machines interpret visual information and make sense of the world through algorithms and data. First, let's start with the basics of image recognition. This technology allows computers to identify objects, people, and even emotions in images. But how does it work? It all comes down to training models on vast datasets and using neural networks to classify images accurately. Did you know that image recognition has been successfully used to diagnose diseases with a level of accuracy comparable to trained professionals? This groundbreaking application demonstrates the potential of AI in healthcare and beyond. Now, let's move on to object detection. While image recognition tells us what's in an image, object detection takes it a step further, pinpointing where specific objects are located within that image. Think about how security cameras can identify intruders in real time. Object detection algorithms, like YOLO, You Only Look Once, and SSD, Single Shot Detector, revolutionize the way computers analyze images. They ensure precision while maintaining speed, which is crucial for applications like autonomous vehicles navigating urban environments. Quick break. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the world of computer vision, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more amazing content. Let's shift gears and talk about visual SLAM, or simultaneous localization and mapping. This technology allows robots and drones to map their surroundings while keeping track of their own location. It's essential for navigation and mapping in unfamiliar environments. Visual SLAM is the backbone of many applications, from robotic vacuum cleaners to augmented reality games. By analyzing visual data in real time, these systems can create intricate maps and understand their surroundings dynamically. Now, let's discuss video analytics. This powerful tool harnesses machine learning to analyze video feeds for insights into human behavior, security, and even traffic patterns. Imagine a city where traffic lights can adapt in real time to congestion levels. With advancements in deep learning, video analytics is becoming more accurate and efficient. It opens doors to incredible applications, such as intelligent surveillance systems that can detect suspicious activities and alert authorities instantly. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at the future. Emerging technologies, like edge computing and 5G, are set to enhance computer vision capabilities. Imagine the possibilities when these technologies converge. To summarize, image recognition, object detection, visual SLAM, and video analytics are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. From healthcare advancements to autonomous systems, the potential is limitless. What's next for computer vision? Stay tuned for our next video where we explore AI ethics in technology.